Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Realme C67 device. To insert a SIM card into a Realme C67 smartphone, you can follow these steps. Okay, first thing first, power off your Realme C67 smartphone. Locate the SIM card tray on the side of the phone. It is usually on the left or right side depending on the phone model. Okay, next, take the SIM ejector that comes with your phone, or you can use a small paper clip. Okay, and then now please insert the SIM ejector into the small hole on the SIM card tray and apply gentle pressure to eject the tray. Once the SIM card tray is ejected, carefully remove it from the phone. Okay, and then now place your SIM card into the appropriate slots on the SIM card tray. Make sure the gold contacts on the SIM card are facing down. Okay, if you have a dual SIM variant, you may have two slots on the tray, and then choose the appropriate slots for the SIM card you want to insert. Well, and then now please insert the SIM card tray back into the phone. Okay, and then gently push the tray back into the phone until it is securely in place. Okay, and then now please power on your Realme C67 smartphone. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.